Onboarding versus training. Now, these words come out as synonyms, but they're actually not. Customer onboarding, on one hand, is a very involved activity. Why has the customer purchased your product? Breaking it down into use cases, figuring out what data that needs to be brought in, configuring the system and whatnot. Whereas training is essentially a bunch of how-tos. In fact, one of the best kept secret has been that you need to onboard your customers before you train all the users who will actually be using the product day in, day out. Onboarding is an activity which is usually done with either the admin or the super user, could be the functional manager of the problem that your product is solving, or the SPOC who is given the responsibility of configuring the system. It might involve integration. This individual might be technical, all sorts of details. On the other hand, training is usually a lot more simpler activity. In fact, parts of training can also be automated, especially if your product is used across a wide range of audience, even in the B2B case. Yes. So there you go. Onboarding is not training, training is not onboarding. What do you think? Is there a better way to describe the difference? Have you used them interchangeably at times? How are your practices using onboarding and training? Let's talk about it on the comments. Looking forward. Cheers.